Hey guys, welcome to a new video. Here in this video, you are here for a tutorial. In this video, I'm gonna show you guys, how to make custom thumbnails, like you see here. So, I'm just gonna pick a random video I have made, and I'm just gonna take a video right here. So I think I'm going to choose this one. So what you want to do is go on your Creator Studio. Once you're in here, you want to go over here in Videos, and you find the video you want to edit. So mine is a little bit far back, so I'm just going to go Continue. And it is this video over here. So you click Modify. Here, mine's in French, but it's going to be custom thumbnails. So what you want to do is click on that, except that you don't have one. So how do you do to create one? Well, what I'm going to do is I'm going to go on pixlr. It's super easy to use, and it makes really good thumbnails. So let's go on pixlr. What you want to do is you want to go down from here, and it's going to be pixlr editor. Make sure not to click this, but here, launch web app. And you don't even need to download it, you just go on the website. So what you want to do is create a new image. After that, you need the good proportions. So what you need to do is you can keep the 800, but you need to change for 500. So the height is 500 and the width is 800. So when that is set up, make sure transparent is not clicked. You can just click OK. So now we're going to enlarge it a little bit. So this is going to be your video screen. So first you want to create a background for then to add up pictures on it. So first, you want to choose your colors. Over here, I think I'm just going to choose green. So I'm going to go on green, then choose my color of green. So over here would be my color of green I will choose. So you clicked OK. And then the color that isn't big, you can switch it out. And that is the color that will be selected. So for now, I'm going to go on Gradient Tool. And I am going to click this gradient. You can pretty much choose any gradient, and they're pretty good. Go over here, like this. So I like this gradient. So now, I'm going to add another color of green. I'm going to go for darker. I'm going to go on Paint Bucket Tool and add it here. Okay, so now I've got a pretty cool background, and that's what I want. So okay, now it is an animation. So in the animation, there is Steve Beast Mode. Well, it's two animations in that video, so one of them is Steve Beast Mode. So what you want to do, and it is the Lego animations, so you just go on Lego Steve Minecraft. So you go on Google Images. You search for a nice one. So I'm gonna go for this guy. It's not the same one as in the video, but it is what I want. So over here, you right click it on it, and you go over here to save image as. So you click that, and you write the name you're going to remember it by. So I'm going to write Steve and BM for Beast Mode. So I'm going to remember who it is. Well, what it is for. Okay, and then to add it in your picture, how do you do it? You go on Layers up in the corner, and you go to Open Image as Layer. So you go on the place you put it, So I put it on the desktop and over here. So now you just need to search where it is. So it's going to be somewhere in there. Steve BM. You click on it. Once the file name is there, you click open. So it's there, but you don't want the white. It's going to destroy your background. So pixlr has a pretty great tool for that. You just go on wand tool. The tolerance at 21 is fine. So you just click over here and it's going to auto select all of it for you. So you just click CTRL and then X. And all of the background is deleted for you. So then you place your Steve for Steve Beast mode where you want. And there's also buddies with the slime. So I'm just going to go get a slime. And SLEM. Lego Minecraft slime. Again on images. So you want to get a good one. I'm going to choose this one over here. So it looks pretty good. So you right click it, save image as. On the right, Lego slime. Okay. And you just click enter to save it. So you go over here. Oh, and by the way, if you want to change layers, the selected layer is the only one you can change. So now I've selected background. So if I go for eraser, I could not erase the Steve over here. So you need to go back on the layer that you want to edit over here. Make sure to do that. But we want to add another layer, so open image as layer. So you want to search for your image. So I chose the Lego slime, so I open it. You have the same problem, wand tool. Make sure those two things are clicked over here. So you just click like this, CTRL X. And all of it is done for you. Okay, you've got your slime. So now, you want to add some writings. Make sure I was trying to move Steve, but to move him, I need to go back on layer 1 over here. And then to move the slime on layer 2. If you do want to change their size, you make sure it is selected. You go over here on edit and free transform. So over here, I could do my slime smaller. Yes. Okay. Oh, by the way, when you go on edit, make sure not to choose free dice sort, because that's not going to be good. Okay. So now you want to add some text so people will be interested in your video. So first, I'm going to write 2 in the air over here. So 2, your text. But that isn't really a cool font. So you want to go over here, either choose this one, Algerian, that makes like pretty fancy, but I want the most Minecraft one. So I searched in this for like really long, and from what I found, the one that looks more like Minecraft is at the bottom. So it's close from here. Showcard Gothic. That's the one I found that looks the most like Minecraft. So you want to put dark? Well, it depends on your background. So it shows well. Since it's a number, you want it to be well seen. So you want to put it pretty big. Then you click OK. Make sure to go select the move tool over here if you want to move it. You go over here, put it on top, 2. Then I'm going to write Lego Minecraft and below animations. So over here, Lego Minecraft. But now this is way too big and I don't want it that big. So you just go over here and lower the size and put it black once again. Okay. So now that you've done this, you go on move tool again and move it where you want. And make sure also the text is also in different layers. Now you want to add a last layer of text down here, and animation. It is a stop motion animation, but it's not one you want to catch their eye. You can write it in the title, but not on the thumbnail. It's going to be a little bit weird. So you do animation, dark, well, black actually. You're going to make it bigger because it's only one word. So make sure not to do it too big, because once it's really big, it's big. So over here, color is okay. The good font, style, you want it regular. Okay. So to Lego Minecraft animation. Well, if you have done an error like I have, it's 2, so there needs an S. So how to change what you write? That was actually accidental. I'm not really good in French. Animations. You just go back on type tool and you put it over here. So you put OK. So to Lego Minecraft animations. I have my Steve. I have my slime. So that is pretty much a good thumbnail. But once you've done it, you want to add it to your video. So what you do then is you go on File, Save. You want to name it something to be able to find it. I'm going to make 2LMA, Lego Minecraft Animation. You can just write things like that, or you can write a long name, but I don't really do that. So you choose the quality you like, but usually 80 is fine. So you click Save, then you go on YouTube over here, you click Custom Thumbnails, and you go and click it over here. So you click Open. Then make sure it is clicked and click over here. And then you go back on your videos. And if you go find your video, it's now gonna have a thumbnail over here. So that is how you add a thumbnail. Hope you liked the video. Make sure to leave a like, subscribe, and make sure to go watch our other videos. Well, see you next time, guys. Bye.